But fear is not in Haiti's DNA. God didn't put us here to be small. He put us here to shine.
Blood of warriors runs through our veins. The sons and daughters of those who broke chains. We come from fire, we were born to rise. You see a small country, but you don't see our size.
We are the people who beat the strongest army.
We stood up and said we were born to be free. We are Haiti, we don't fear giants. We are the drums, the fire, the lions. With every pass, every strike, every goal, we carry the pride of a fighting soul. Raise the flag high, raise it to the sky. Haiti moves forward and God walks by our side.
Now we are David, standing proud. A small nation with a voice so loud. Discipline, courage,